My name is Mathieu Charland. I'm a director at l'École de l'Automobile. Please join us in conversation about l'École de l'Automobile.
Well, hello and bonjour. Je m'appelle Alain Dale from Gale Force Win, and I got to tell you what a pleasure it is to be here at l'École de l'Automobile in beautiful Montreal. I want to tell you, I am enjoying being in conversation with people that are making a difference. Of course, I'm talking about the private regulated colleges that understand focused learning matters. These skills that are being taught need to result in jobs at the other end. That's exactly what they're achieving. So good to be in conversation with these folks. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do here.
Hi, my name is Mathieu Charland. I'm the director here at l'École de l'Automobile. I've been in place since 2009, and we've been in Montreal for over 20 years now.
Mathieu, that's a long journey that the school has had in Montreal and a long journey you've had with this school. Talk to me about your passion for coming to work every day. Why do you do it?
Well, you know, it's all about giving a chance, I would say. Giving a chance to people to get their feet wet, get their job going, get their career going, get the opportunity in place. And we do this through a whole bunch of different programs related to mechanics, especially apprentice mechanic program, and this leads to solid grounds, a foundation where these guys can build their career on. So
I love that. I love that solid ground conversation, and I know that tires, when you talk about this world, talk to me about tires and what that means here.
Well, you know, we're in Quebec, right?
Yeah.
And we have a big, strong winter, and we have a nice summer. So what happens with this is we get two big tire seasons, so two big rushes in the industry, and everybody has to know tires. Everybody from the certified tech to the new guy coming in the industry, they need to know how to properly change tires. And so this is one of the first things these guys are going to learn here. And I got to tell you, they got to practice.
Yeah.
Why? Because if you show you can do tires, then you'll be able to show the employer that you can do more.
Right.
And that's what we aim for these guys. We want to make sure that they do the basic stuff properly so that the employer gets what he needs and the student coming out of here gets what he wants, move forward in his career.
Right. That's so important to start with the basics first. Get that foundation built and then grow from there. You know, as those students are growing, and I've had the pleasure to talk to students in this school, and I want to tell you, they are so impressed by the knowledge that their instructors have. Talk to me about the importance of putting instructors with solid knowledge, with real experience in front of these students.
You know what? That's the key. You got to get the cream at the top. And you got to get these guys, the top dogs. You know, this industry is built on passion mainly. And the guys that come in here, the students, the newcomers, the beginners, the guys that start their journey in this industry, they're all about passion. And the top dogs are also all about passions. So by finding the right guys, the guys that have the knowledge and that have that passion to share that knowledge, to make sure that this industry just grows and keeps on being better at offering the service that's needed with this industry, the amount of cars we have running, right?
Yeah.
I call them the doctors of the mechanics,
right.
You know, doctors of the automobile.
Yeah. And of course, you know, Mathieu, this school doesn't just teach theory, and it doesn't just teach something and hope that the student gets a job. This is very much focused on an outcome, giving these students skills that gets them a job out at the other end. Talk to me about how you feel about that and what you do to make sure that happens.
Sure. Well, you know what? I'm a family guy. I got 3 kids, right? I love them all. And the guys that get in here, it's a family. You get in here, we want to take care of you from the point A to point Z and then some. Mm-hmm. What that means by that, well, you get in here, you need a job, we'll help you find a job. We'll guide you through the process of finding a job. You need help with your resume. We got dealerships coming in here and talking to students. We do speed dating with the industry to make sure that our students are matched with the right people, the right places, and the right workplace. So that's what we do from the beginning to the end, and then some. What I mean by that is, you get in here, you're part of the family. I said it. You need finding a job a couple of years down the road. Well, we'll be there for you. Wow. You can give us a call. We'll make sure we got plenty of contact in the industry. We focus on giving what the industry wants, and that's key also. because we're so focused on the student and matching it with the industry and the right people, we have to make sure we deliver the right product, the right knowledge to these students. So once they get in the industry, well, the industry says, well, you know what? I like your guys. I'm going to come back and I want more of these guys. And for us, this is what success is all about.
Mathieu, it's so important to close that loop. Listen to what industry is looking for in an employee and then catering your learning to that. That's the secret to success right there. If you can match that up, students are going to get a job. Such a welcoming environment. And for newcomers to Canada, this seems to be a near perfect fit to help them find jobs and upskill. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. You know what? There's an influx of the newcomers, like you said, coming in Canada, in Quebec. And these guys, they need to get some revenue coming in quickly. Right? The government helps them to begin with, but then they're on their own. Sometimes they have a family to support here. Sometimes they have a family to support across.
Yeah.
Right? And by getting into a quick program like our mechanic program, but also like our detailing program, where you land a job after 3 weekends, well, it enables you to get revenue quickly and start in an industry where, again, it comes back to the passion. They had that passion. That's what, when they look on the website, they say, well, you know what? I've always been thinking about this. Why don't I make the hardest choice is pressing that send button?
Right.
And we take care of them from that point on.
Mathieu, it must be amazing for you with so many years in the industry and so many years at this school to watch people come through the door here, a little bit apprehensive, not sure if they can do it. Some of them never lifted up the bonnet of a car before. And then to watch them graduate out the other end, probably working at a place like BMW and so confident in their skill sets. Talk to me how that makes you feel.
It's an amazing feeling. This is what I do. This is why I do this job. You know, I don't know the story of everyone when they get out of here, but I hear good ones. You know, when you talk to people, when students come back and they visit you, they say, hey, you know what? I'm shop foreman at Porsche. Hey, you know what? I'm working for the Bell private fleet there. My life is set. I just bought a house next to my job. Man, you come in here in the morning, you're just smiling because that's what your goal is this.
Yeah. Mathieu, it takes a lot of courage for people to go back to school or start a program. You know, it really does. And there's people out there now that are going to be watching this saying, I wonder, can I do this? I wonder, do I have what it takes to get through this program and change my life, just like you just spoke about? What would you say to that person? You
know what? The first thing we tell these people, and I meet all students, right, that start our program. The first thing we say is we acknowledge the difficulty they're going to go through. We tell them, you know, this is going to be a tough journey, but we are here for you. We got the top dogs teaching you. We got the customer service to help you out. And I always tell them at orientation during the first few weeks, when you feel tired because you're coming in every day in here and you're working, you come and see me and we'll look at the schedule and you'll see you're 3/4 of the way done. And that will give you the last little boost to get through this, because it is a hard journey. We're not going to lie about it. Mm-hmm. But it's such a rewarding journey for them and for us. So it's a win-win, and then you become part of the winner's circle.
And that's how lives are transformed. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us. For more information, ecoloto.com.